morning, everyone. It's a brand new video.
It is.
Renae here, Brooklyn behind camera. We got some pho, and we're in LAT. We got here today on an 18-hour bus ride, so we're kind of out of it. 18-hour bus ride, got here, it's like 10:30. We're gonna go see some waterfalls, we're gonna eat this food. It's gonna be so good. Okay, better or worse than the pho that we had in Renae?
Honestly, I don't think anyone. I think they're kind of very similar. I think I might like the things that you can put in here a little bit more, and I'm just really hungry, so I want to say this one. But I think I
like
really liking the other one too. So
I think I like this one better.
Just like a little bit, but not like it doesn't blow it out of the water.
Chef's kiss, yeah.
But it's delicious. They're all good.
Updated statement.
Updated statement. I like this one way better. I don't know if it's because I just like made it spicier and like I'm a spice queen, so like I don't know if that's it, but I think that in the beginning I did taste it.
No,
yeah, like these leaves, like I think it is a better flavor, so I like this one better.
I agree. I like this one better. Also, because you can kind of make it your own. They didn't have as many options at the other place,
and it is just a little bit more flavorful. So I'm digging this one more. Not that the other one isn't good, but this one's better. Okay, so we're staying at Family Hostel in the LAT. It's about, it was like a 20-minute walk from where the bus dropped us off, so not too bad at all.
I don't know if the bus always drops you off at the same spot.
I don't know either.
Drop you off places.
I know. I'm not really honestly too sure, but from where they dropped us off, it was like 20 minutes, so it wasn't that bad at all. It's so cute. It's freaking huge, so we'll try and do like a little bit of a tour of it. We're just walking back there now to meet the boys.
Like
it's literally $1. And they have like family dinners and stuff, and like a lot of services and things you can book.
We did laundry.
And we finally did laundry. So happy. I feel like literally a new person.
I know.
So now we're gonna meet our boys and go catch some waterfalls today.
Woo! Waterfall number 1, we're doing the roller coaster.
They were $200 per person. Keep your ticket because you got to come back up. A little expensive, but it is what it is. It's an experience. We're having fun. Woo!
I know. Let's go, let's go. Holy fuck! This is actually scary as fuck. Oh my god, Brooklyn! We're going so fucking fast. Holy fuck. No, me too. I feel like I'm gonna fucking derail this shit. Holy fuck. This is so much fun. Holy shit, I'm gonna yeet on out of this thing. Woo! Holy fuck. Oh, we're gonna catch up.
Okay, I'm gonna slow down.
Oh my god, this is so fun. Brooklyn, how was it? Round 1.
Oh my god, I didn't know we went so fast. This is so fun.
It was literally so fun.
Not even like...
And we gotta go together.
And we gotta go together. Definitely the move.
Definitely the move.
Down to the waterfall. Woo, baby. It was literally so fun. Thought we were gonna derail a couple times, but we did not. Yeah, we did, baby. Ah, I'm so happy. Okay, we came to another waterfall. It sucks. It's a little underwhelming, not gonna lie.
You have to pay to get it.
Don't recommend. It was like 2 cents, but it was
not worth
the 2 cents. Now we're gonna go eat.
I'm starving. booked this $1 dorm room and we got a private room.
It was literally $1, like 50. And then I think just because like, you know, so some hostels are just like so big and like they just have so many random different rooms, you just get like lucked out that it's just like a little corner. It's like you have to walk through a dorm room and then we just get our own private room.
Like fucking sick.
Like lucky girl syndrome.
Woo!
That's what I'm saying. Good evening, everybody.
We're celebrating tonight.
We're celebrating 500 because we couldn't celebrate last night. We're gonna go down to the bar. It's happy hour for a little bit longer.
We have no warm clothes. It's free.
We literally, it's laundry day, so we're in our like skimpy little dresses, and it's like chilly.
But we're celebrating tonight, so we don't give a single
F about it. Let's go have fun.
We wish we were on TikTok too.
Okay.
I might see it.
Okay, we went to bed at 4:30 a.m. Woke up at 7:30 a.m. We're going to the canyon.
It looks like it.
No.
We made it. Oh my god, it's lit.
It's fucking lit over here. Ready to go. Okay, we're at the top of the first house. It's like 18 meters.
No, this one, oh yeah, maybe.
I think it's like 18 meters down. I'm so excited.
Kêu ông Phong ấy. Kêu ông Thông á.
Am I going?
Thằng Thông nó biết kéo. Còn mấy kia không biết kéo đâu.
Good?
Let's go.
Oh my god.
Ai kêu tao đi cùng mày.
So scared. Oh my god. Okay. Come on.
Just swim.
First one, how was it? How was it?
Amazing. Oh my god. Am I like the strongest woman in my
I
life?
felt like a bad bitch.
I can't know. I was like, do I let go? What do I do?
Photo. She dropped her. Oh, okay.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Water bottle came out.
Just let it fall.
Just let it fall, we'll catch it.
It will go. It will wash away.
Right,
It will wash up to us.
Alright, it's okay. Good. Quick, and
Look, now it's littering.
Where's the water bottle?
Just it went down the thing.
Go.
What's the best way to go in here? I hit a rock. It's graceful. Ew, it smells like sewage. I can't even just swim.
Oh yeah. Okay, we are swimming down. We're not swimming. We're freaking sliding down.
Water sliding. Holy fuck.
Waterfall.
I hope my GoPro doesn't fall off.
your name?
Renae.
Sorry?
Renae.
Ray.
Yeah.
Come on, Ray. Hey, lie down, lie down, lie down.
Holy fuck! Yeah, that fucking hurt my butt. Okay, go. This is impossible.
Let me get it off.
Oh my god. Fighting for my life over here. You get it. Holy fuck! Are you gonna do it backwards?
You ready?
Yeah.
Head down.
Woo!
Sorry.
Oh my gosh.
Don't worry. Yeah, it's easy. Easy, yeah.
Oh my god. I don't want to go back to this fucking shit. I can't breathe. I swallowed so much water. Oh my god, I hit my kill so fucking hard. Oh. I swallowed so much real water. I'm gonna fucking shit my pants, bro. Okay, we just hiked for what felt like an eternity, and we're starving, and we're gonna eat, and they have bread and picnic. They're so close to my face.
I know, but it's like not close.
And yeah. And what are we doing?
We are rappelling down. I think it's our highest one.
25-meter waterfall.
25-meter waterfall. This is actually insane.
That looks so sick. Woo! Did you hit the bottom? Ah, I can't do it. Oh my water bottle.
like emoji. Okay, good morning, everybody. I actually woke up so long ago. Woke up at 6 in the morning. I can't see anything. Me neither. It's so sunny. I'm so out of it right now. We actually took a bus. We're like still on it right there. We're just at like a pit stop. We're going to Renae, which is really fun. But we're gonna talk about LAT later when we have more time.
It's my favorite place.
Because yeah, it's like literally a must-do. Like it's absolute a hidden gem. It is the best. We had the best time, and we just need to talk about it and what we did and everything, kind of debrief it, just a little outro, so we'll do that later. Bus was really easy, booked with our hostel was great too. Family backpackers, we kind of shit the bed on vlogging a little bit, but we did so much and we just had too much fun, and that's when you know it's the best place. Okay, hello everybody. We just wanted to close out the LAT video. Sorry for the horrific faces over here. We just
traveling for 30 hours.
Literally 30 hours straight.
It was disgusting.
Yeah, we really need to shower, but we can't check into our room yet. But that's besides the point. We're talking about LAT, which was one of our absolute favorite places in Vietnam.
My favorite place in Vietnam.
Yeah. We just had the best time there. It was one of those places that we conquered it, and we had the boys with us. And just everything was amazing.
Cool. It was one of the coolest things I've ever done.
Like, it's just, you're propelling down a waterfall. Like,
it was sick. You should definitely do it.
Definitely do it. Super cool. The maze bar that we went to was so much fun, and we just had a great time there. It was really pretty, and we had really good pho there as well. That was like right outside the hostel.
Yeah. We
booked everything with the hostel. Yeah, go to LAT. Don't skip it. We loved it so much. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. We'll see you in so many more videos because we got so much good stuff coming up for you. Love you.
Love you.